Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Pinterest. First we have to open up the app, and here you can enter your email address, or you can continue with Facebook, or you can continue with Google. Let's continue with Google. Here you can select your email address that you want to use, and that's pretty much it. Here you will find your feed. Here and the magnifying glass, you will find the place where you can search for ideas, and in the plus you can start creating. Here you have some the messages, and then here is your profile, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.